Hello, my name is Rai from Cinch, and today I'm going to show you how to log into the user profile for the first time. First, you'll need to enter your company's Cinch web link into the web browser, which will bring you to the sign-in page. If you're a returning user, you can simply click Sign In. If you're here for the first time, you'll need to sign up. Once you've clicked Sign Up, you'll come to the registration page. Start by filling in all of your personal details, including your name, surname, email, passwords, birth date, mobile phone number, your gender, and your promotional code. If you don't have a promotional code, you can simply just skip the line. Next, you'll need to check the tick boxes for the terms and conditions and the processing of your personal data. If you agree with all of them, then all you have to do is click Sign Up. Check for a new email from the Cinch platform that says you have been signed in to the Cinch app with a new account with your username. In order to complete the registration, all you need to do is click the green activation button. Once you've clicked that button, you should receive another email that talks about the next steps of how to log into the application. All you need to do is simply click Login. Once you've clicked Login, you'll be brought back to the sign-in page. Simply enter your email and password that you use for your registration and click Sign In. Once you've clicked Sign In, you should come to the main page of the Cinch platform. Waiting for you will be a guided tutorial of how to use the platform. We recommend at least going through the tutorial one time to get yourself situated. Once you've ended the tutorial, you'll be brought back to the main screen, in which you'll have the options to run the tutorial again, to look at the guide for the user profile, or to look at the guide for how to sign up for a shift. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to update your profile. This includes adding a profile picture and other personal attributes that will help your employer choose you for available shifts. Until then, thanks for watching.